Rolling. So hello, I'm standing here with Jonathan from ViewBix at TechCrunch 2011 San Francisco, and ViewBix is something for video. So if you guys doing video, and Jonathan, could you walk us through a little bit?
Absolutely. So expand a little bit on what you said. What we do is take, instead of a passive video experience, which people are using today to put YouTube on their blogs or Vimeo or Facebook, now what they can do is use those videos, add calls to action, add interactive apps, and when they share that on their blogs, on their website, on their social pages like Facebook, iPhones, iPad, Android, they're sharing not just a video, but an experience where, one, they can get their users to engage with their brand, and two, drive some type of action, all in under 2 minutes to be able to create these interactive layers.
Sounds really promising. Let's see how it goes.
Right, so let's take Mr. Secret Artist, which I think should be familiar to those people who read your blog.
Sometimes.
Exactly. So what we did is we just do a quick search on YouTube, and what you've noticed is these are the results. We could have done it on Vimeo or Facebook. I grab that video, I can grab any other video, and if you notice, it's using YouTube's player, so you still have all the view counts. So if you're looking to drive view count in your YouTube channels, it's still counting for all those views. And then what I'm able to do is add branding around the player itself. So for example, we created this Mr. Secret Artist, right? Mr. Secret Artist demos. We can change the title, change the call to action button. In this case, what we've done is redirect it to the Twitter page, but that could be any landing page itself.
So just add a link at the top of the title, on top of the video player, basically.
Correct. And what happens is I can test this, which is, if you notice I click learn more, it takes me to his specific Twitter page.
Yep.
So we can test that, and we can change the color as well, if we want to change the specific hex code, in terms of the border. But then the real fun begins, which is then we can add interactive apps inside the framework of this player. So things like Coupon, Google Maps. So let's say, for example, we want to show you where we're demoing this. It's so simple to add these apps. All we do is add the address. So let's do the address where we are now, 685 8th Street, San Francisco. Okay, we update that, and if you notice, there's the Google Maps, and you can see our demo here. Change the pin that we're dropping. We could zoom in. So fully functional these apps, but literally we're able to do this in seconds. So literally we added a Google Map. So what we have now is we have our details, which is pulled directly from the YouTube. We have our Twitter feed for Mr. Secret Artist, which we added before. Here's our Google Map app, and it's fully functional inside the framework of the player. And literally we have tens of apps for people to choose from in terms of their photo feeds, lists, be able to have their SlideShare presentation, form fill, to be able to capture newsletter signups, QR codes, MP3 files, etc. And once I've done that, I simply publish it. I grab the embed code. I'm able to put that on Facebook, share it. So let's share this on Facebook and show you how simple this is. So we'll share this on Facebook. I click share, and if we go back to our Facebook page, always a little risky to show on camera, but we'll take one for the team. You'll see most recent. There we go. So now, instead of sharing this video anymore, what we've done is we've shared the video with all of that interactivity. So people can reshare it on Facebook, Twitter. They can take the embed code. And here is the details that we have, our Twitter feed, which I can read in the player. Here's that Google Maps, exactly as I said before, fully functional. And then again, my call to action, where now I can take you to the blog and actually become a follower of Secret Artist as well.
So basically it's taking a video and a rich content and even putting another layer on it, and also a call for action, and also when someone else is sharing it, it's going to take the same package and pass it on, and not just the video itself.
Exactly. So what we've done is changed a plain passive video experience to one which is interactive and engaging and shareable.
And right now, if I'm a user or a company, how does your plan or business, if I want to use your product, how does it work?
Great, so it's a classic freemium model. Right now it's currently free. We'll be releasing shortly a premium model that allows you for all the analytics, what apps are being viewed, percentage of video viewed, all the details that are happening there, fully branded without the power by ViewBix.
White label, you can brand it yourself.
Plus at premium apps, so premium apps will be available in terms of things like form fills, etc. So right now it's currently free. We will be releasing a premium model for, like, as I said, premium apps, fully branded, white labeled, and custom analytics.
And where are you guys based?
We're based in Beit Shemesh, Israel.
Yeah, and for how long you've been around?
So we did a soft launch last month, and so this is more of the formal launch here at TechCrunch.
Well, it seems like a great product, and thank you very much, Jonathan from ViewBix.
Fantastic, thanks.